And good evening, and thank you so much for joining me. I am your host, Eric, on Eric's weather forecast. Thank you so much for joining us this evening. I want to actually get down and kind of explain what we have going on here. Now, I actually want to talk about this for just a moment. I know I haven't been on for a while. But I basically want to talk about a quick update. If I can get to it. There we go. I wanted to basically let you know that Southeast Michigan had some severe thunderstorms earlier this evening from all the heat and the humidity and everything. We had all of the ingredients that came together with this, and because of that, we've had some severe weather going on, and we'll talk about the rest of what we can expect in just a little bit. So we have some showers and we have some thunderstorms. I'm going to actually keep a very close eye on the rest of the activity, but mostly it's not a widespread event. But I am going to keep an eye on that just to let you know. There are areas that are not even seeing any showers and thunderstorms, so potentially right now we're doing okay. Basically, in St. Clair County is actually seeing some activity, but it's basically this area. I'm trying to get something up, and that is basically the tornado icon. I'm trying to get it up there. Trying to see if I can find it here, and I don't know exactly where it's at. Alright, and I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get it. Well, unfortunately, okay, I don't know what's going on. I'll have to look that up later. But I am gonna look up the report and see what we've got going on here, and I'll look that up in just a little bit. But just keep in mind that we did have some other problems as well. We also had a power outage in Memphis, Michigan. So if you live in Memphis, the lights are back on. The lights are back on, but there was a power outage out in that area. Power has been restored. Probably was a surprise to everybody. So probably the best thing to do is to make sure that you have a lamp of some sort, in case the power goes out, or use your phone as a backup, and make sure that you have flash lights around. So this weather pattern is not widespread like it was, but we'll kind of keep an eye on things, and I will let you know what we'll be expecting for Sunday. Okay? So things could get a little bit active around here, so we'll kind of keep an eye on that. We've got some rain that's developing, but all of the heavier stuff is actually way, way far away from us. So I don't see that happening actually at this point. We'll let you know if that does become a problem, but I don't see that at this point. We're not under a watch or anything like that. There's no warnings with any of this at this time, so I'm going to actually be on in just a little bit again with an update. So I'm going to look to see if there's anything else happening. I'm going to put this into mode so I can see exactly what happened. Give me one moment. Let's see if I can put this in mode here. What is going on here? We're having all kinds of problems today. This radar does not want to. Okay, there we go. Okay, I'm gonna leave. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just leave the radar in this mode, and that way it's going in and moving. So basically, at this time, we don't have any thing that is widespread, and I'll keep an eye on that, and I'll let you know. There's only the only activity that I can see. Give me one moment, and I'm a little bit smaller so everyone can see where that basically is at. There we go. And move it back a little bit. So basically, all of the activity that you can see right now is basically generally in this area, and then we've got more activity that I am going to watch. Shower. There's actually more thunderstorms that I can see that are developing. I'll have to watch that very closely, and I'll have to let you know about that in just a little bit. But I don't really see any activity going on. There could possibly be some rain that could enter Oakland County, maybe Macomb County, especially, and probably St. Clair County once again, but nothing severe at this point. So please stay tuned on Eric's weather forecast. Stay tuned, and I will give you guys the very latest on that, so stay tuned. If we do have the threat of severe weather, I will definitely give you an update on that, so please stay tuned for further updates, and if there's any possible warnings or watches, I'll bring that to you. If you have not subscribed to Eric's weather forecast, please do so. I will have the very latest as soon as possible of new